7 in the morning. You can't see it. This food woke me up at 5:30.
You gotta do what you gotta do to be here, right?
Mint. I have to show you guys this. Look how cute this is. They have a Yoda. How cute. Don't mind my allergies, guys. I sound sick, but my allergies are so bad because it's pollen season and I didn't take my allergy medication.
About to get you recording?
Yep.
It's getting hella hot right now. Kind of over this shit.
Are you really? Because you're wearing that.
I'm about to change right now.
We're getting a hot dog before we have to go see all the 500 cars.
Yeah, we're gonna walk around and see what kind of cool cars there are, and then yeah, we'll figure it out.
He gets grumpy when it's hot, so we'll see how long we last. It's a lot of food.
We out here at the swap meet before the show starts, trying to kill time. Yeah. The Holy Grail right here. Sheesh. Hella Hot Wheels. Alright guys, this is our little booth that we have right here. Some of the cars that came with us. Sick ass 5.0. Little Shelby. And Holy Grail Z. Sheesh. Pick that carbon fiber. All the other cars over there, and then on that side over there, we're gonna go fucking walk around and see all the other builds.
You and your life, guys, this is my morning. Take a shit. You have to shake into it, you know. It's like you're like Curtis and Flesh. in the shower, it just like head up. Yeah. Hey guys, so today I'm in the shower. I couldn't get out today, but we're gonna go to the fucking car meet and
yeah. You go down and then
insert pencil. And you can see the new product that I'm using today for exfoliation.
They're all matching today.
Where you guys from? I don't know.
831. Maybe from the 831.
It's so you guys don't get lost. Have I turned around?
What is 8 letters, 3 words, 1 meaning? It says I love you.
Oh! On a hot day, this is a must.
Oh, really a must. This is apple juice.
It is apple juice.
Look at the same fenders that I have.
Trying to get into this party, car show party. Not really a party.
No black outlining on these.
Let me retract that frame of thought.
3-piece boys.
You?
Clean as right, boy.
Yeah, we got girls with cars.
Do it again. And then look at it.
I like the hips.
You guys should do the TikTok where one does what the other one does.
What?
Like if he does something, you copy it and then you add something.
Yeah. Sheesh. I got my water ready. Ready to go walk the show real quick and see some cool cars.
Sparkling water.
Sheesh.
Gotta stay hydrated.
This is literally what you call a money pit. Y'all see the engine bay? Shit looks so freaking nice. Wait till you see the interior. Bruh. Carbon fiber door panels. Carbon fiber everything. It looks so freaking nice. And then the red seats, red floor mats. Sheesh. God damn. God damn. Okay. To be honest, one day I know for sure I'm gonna have a Lambo. You know the LS right here. You know this should be catching no traction. Look how small that is. But it looks so freaking clean. Bruh. Who needs a credit card?
One other guy, he's the khaki color.
Sheesh. Damn, this shit's badass for a 370. Carbon front bumper, hood, and fenders. Sheesh. God damn, sir. R30. Sheesh.
Yeah, you shitting on my shit.
RB26. Must be nice. Okay, you don't need headlights, I guess. God damn. Must be nice. Go rump, right? Make America thick again.
This is my favorite Mustang here.
Damn, hell love this one. Look at this man. This man hasn't been here forever. If you guys are OGs from the channel, you guys know. If you guys know, you know. This guy used to be in the channel way back in the day.
Channel 1, 2, 3, 4 cook.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to Jesus. Jesus, the man right here. Makes us like a lot of peanuts. Hey, what? Ever? Hey, yo, pause.
We need the Jesus reaction to every car.
Nah,
It's
some badass wheels.
He got the thingamatigs.
He got fucking rubber bands on that bitch.
And the fucking Caso pa hacer los chicharrones wheels.
You ever seen those can openers? You got the open up top, more arrow.
These open up your Modelos, or they can grade your cheese.
or your butt. If you're trying to BBL or whatever.
BBL. What the fuck?
Kenny Bell?
Oh, that's cool. Look how beautiful. Literally such a beautiful Mustang, I swear.
Cops? You the cops?
They're waiting for everybody to do stupid shit. And the one and only, everybody. The owner of the... Look at this fool. Baila, baila! Hey, hey, hey. You be acting. Can you twerk for me, please? That's not what I said.
Not bad for a show, huh?
No, beautiful. The Z did.
We gotta see a lot of cars.
Yeah.
A lot of cars. I didn't go through the whole place, but I really gotta see really nice cars.
They're really nice. What was your favorite one, you could say?
Mine?
Besides the Z.
Mine?
What was that one car that was really decked out? Really, really pretty.
Oh, that E10.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Not E10, but I mean Evo 10.
Like carbon fiber touches, really, really
Everything.
nice.
Carbon fiber, titanium piping, and
Beautiful.
engine bay, everything.
That was
nice.
that was good.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was.
But I wish I got to see like all the other cars, but
I think the winner was the Z in that.
Nah, the sun literally beat me up. It was nice for my first time
Yeah.
being in the show. But
Shout out to our vendor.
yeah, shout out to the vendor. If you guys need any car products, make sure you hit him up at Car Sets. I literally get all my car products from him to apply on the Z. If you guys wanna make the Z look like yours, you guys can go ahead
Make
and
yours look like the Z.
yeah, make yours
He's
look
so
like.
tired, guys.
Yeah,
He's
I'm
so
hella
tired. He's
I'm
been in
out
the
of it
sun
right now.
all day.
If you guys want to make your Z or your car make look like mine, make sure you hit up Car Sets because he literally hooks me up on every car product from tire shine, wheel cleaner to shampoo your car.
Literally.
Hit him up. He's really a cool dude, and he'll hook you up. Hopefully, I get to be in many more car shows. But for the first one, y'all hear all the VQs.
They're gonna get us all pulled over.
Yeah, honestly, VQs are literally turning into like the next Hondas, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. And
We're not done
make sure
yet.
you guys subscribe, right?